everybody, how are you? Hope you're all okay. My fingers look a bit odd today. I'm going to show you removing the press-on nails with an e-file, because I did them quickly with just press-ons last time. I'd cut them all down, you know, I was growing them. Decided to cut them all down. So I'm going to remove these press-ons with an e-file. I've already made a start on that thumb, and I've built these last night, but I hadn't had time to completely file them. So I've got a new e-file to show you, so I thought I'll do this while I show you this e-file. Oops. I don't know if you know the Scarlet drill, which I've always loved the Scarlet drill. It stands on your desk, and it's a round one. But they've got this one now, which is very similar to the Scarlet, but it's rechargeable, and I think it'll take up less space on your desk. So it's the SC320A, and I'll put you the links in when she sends them me. But you can get them in kits with different things. I think there's even a kit that comes with a lamp if that's what you fancy. So you've got all your full instructions and everything in here, but look, it's like an oval one. Beautiful. So what do? Press and hold. Right, so hold for on off, quick for pause, right and left, got it. Okay, so hard piece. I chose pink, obviously. And it's this lovely rosy colour pink with the lock. So that's a nice one. It's quite a long one if you like a long one, because most of your weight's here, so it's balanced in the crook of your hand, which is quite nice. So that's that bit. I'm going to keep this all tidy, so I can just dust it down and oops, because at the minute I'm using come out. At the minute I'm using my other desk one, so this one here. So until that dies on me, I shall put this one away, I think. But look at that, how neat is that? Oh, that's pretty. Don't know if I've got any charge in it as yet. Yes, I have. So if you hold it, it comes on. Can you see the light? The green light shows you that it's on. Hold for off. And there'll be a one for pause. Yeah. And then front and rear. So that's easy peasy, isn't it? Your cord will come out here, and then you store it in there on your desk. Oh, and it's got a little bit. So it comes with the mandrel and your coarse sanding bands, and then your cuticle work diamond bits. They usually put your stronger bit in as well, and that's a nice one. That's a cylindrical medium. Some finer sanding bands, that's nice. And then if you do get anything like this, make sure you use the chargers and leads that come with it. So there's a little glass e-file as well. So yeah, make sure you get any chargers that come with it, because you can bugger it up otherwise. So that one just goes in there. That one goes in, oops, large and small, there. That just sits in there. I like that. I like that a lot. Oh, I might even find myself swapping to this one now. Oh dear. Let's have a look at this one then. So this is your charging lead. Is that a... Oh, okay. Got it. That one in there. That in there. Make sure all of them in. That's it. And they send me an adapter. There we go. Right, I'll get this plugged in and we'll have a little go with it. So when you're plugged in, it's showing you charge. So I think I've got 2 bars on this, so I can use it without it. Oh, I just want to know if you can use it when it is plugged in, which I always think is dead handy. So keep that so you can put it back in and stop your chuck getting damaged. So let's put this in. This is a sort of graduated one. So let's have a look. Turn it on. Yes, you can use it while you're charging, which is really good. That one's up to 24. It's nice and smooth. That's only at 6. Cuticles, I'll probably even only do a 3. I'd put it on full whack. I like it. Stepless it is. Pause. It's showing me it's in reverse. And it's showing me it's in forward there. And off. That's it. And then you just stand it in there. So you can stand it in with your bits in. So very thin bits will go in. Can you see that sort of hole in the bottom? So even if you've not got your bit in, you can put it in. That's great. And what I like when it's a dial speed that you can actually do a pause on it. So let's move these away from any dust. Ooh, while I'm on, I'm just going to show you some bits I got off the website, which I love. When I do Gabrielle's nails, she likes square. I don't have square, I have almond or stiletto. But I got one of these off the website and it comes with, no, Amazon. It comes with 80, 120 and 180 sanding bits, bands, things, discs. And yeah, and I can do the finish file once I've done everything and just go down the end of it with that. I'll show you. The video's not all about these bits, but I want to show you while they're here because I think they're great. I did buy one of these once, and when it came, it was about half that width. It was useless. So, let's see if I can square this off as soon as I'm taking it off completely. What colour have I got on? I've got a 80. It's best to hold your finger still. Good. Love it. Love that. So, the other way, if you've not got one of those, is to go across with your bit, which I've got it here. So put that back on. You've got to make sure you're at the right angle when you're doing this. Don't panic over it too much, but don't go right. Don't try and go round like that, because if you try and go there, because it's on forward, it'll kick back at you. So just keep taking the top off. That's as smooth as butter. That's really good. It's really smooth. Lovely. And if you're taking your length off, do check for your hypernicum under there, especially if it's somebody else. Do it from underneath if you want. But so I'll set the length down first. So I'm going to remove, oh, I haven't put my fan on. Oh, Nana. Let's remove this one, see how we go. This is sharp on the corners, this one, so I'm just going to get the bulk off and then change back to me barrel. If you're doing your own hand, I find this easier. So I'm holding my finger between them two. Check the bulk. I'm going to be building them again, so I don't mind if there's a little bit still on there. Because I did have builder gel. I stuck them on with builder gel, so anything left on there now is going to be builder gel. And turn like that. Don't try going like this and you're going to catch your things against your skin. This is far easier like this. So it's tucked between them two. And you can move your hand. So I'd much sooner do this than try and prise them off. Where's my brush? I'll change to my safety bit. And I'm going to slow it right down. I'm going to go down to 10. Yeah, so with this, I get nearer. I've not had these in very long, so they're not far away from the cuticle. I'll swap to cuticles in a minute. This nail's already, like I said, started it last night. But I'm off for a hospital appointment in half an hour. Yeah. So I'm not going to be able to put these back on. I'm just going to take them off because I'm going to need one of them oximeters on my fingers. So I'll just getting that away from it in case it's attached somehow. So I'm just going to get behind the nail tip like this, but I only want to use the pointer bit because I don't want to be using this bit. I just want that bit. Just so I'm separating them. Kind of pushing it back. I never use mine this way because I don't want the poke inside me. I'll just do that and then we'll have reverse. I'm just finishing off the nail plate with this sanding band. But I want it on about 10. So I've just got a little bit of lifting on that one, look. It's in reverse. So we are all ready. It's a natty little thing, isn't it? I think it's smashing, still charging up. Yeah, very handy with those little things there. So yeah, so that's the it's SC320A nail drill. So yeah, smashing. Thank you very much, Wendy. Really appreciate it. I think it's fabulous. I hope you like it. Go and have a look on the website and have a look at all the different combos that you can buy. So that's all me ready for another set after I've been to the docks. And yeah, hopefully I'll have a full set of hands next time. See me. Loads of videos coming up, so don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you share the video, that would be amazing. Thank you so much to anybody that has done. And I'll see you next time. Love you loads. Bye.